Linares Deportivo is a Spanish football team based in Linares, in the autonomous community of Andalusia. Founded in 2009 as a replacement for dissolved CD Linares, it plays in Primera División RFEF, Group 2. The team's stadium is Estadio Municipal de Linarejos, with a capacity of 10,000 seats. Linares Deportivo was founded in 2009 under the name of Asociación Deportiva Linares, as a replacement for dissolved CD Linares. The club first reached the 4th division 3 years later, despite finishing second in the 5th level. In 2014-15, after winning its group, Linares defeated CD Castellón 3-0 on aggregate to win promotion to Segunda Division B. In doing so, Linares qualified for the first time to the Copa del Rey for the following season. They defeated FC Jumilla 2-1 at home in the first round on 2 September 2015, then lost by the same score at Ud Logrens. On 28 May 2017, the team dropped back to the 4th tier after a 2-1 aggregate loss to Burgos CF in the playoffs. Note: flags indicate national team as defined under FIFA eligibility rules. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.